make money to meet the quota.
Why do we have to stick together?
Bless you! Because... Okay. Oh, God! Oh, yeah! Bless you!
Bless you!
She just sneezed all over my arm! My arm is soaked! It's soaked! Don't get struck by lightning! You're gonna get struck by lightning! Nerissa got stuck. What? No, don't get struck by lightning. Don't get struck by lightning. I always got struck by a sneeze. I'm sorry. Good job. I'm sorry. She sneezed all over me as much as it's raining outside.
Oh!
It's so wet. Mococo, if you were using the controller, you would have been safe. She sneezed all over me. I've never sneezed on you like that. That was bad. I'm sorry. I've sneezed over 100 times. Nothing was like that. Or I guess it's